guys, I am back with a gel polish mini. So Nail Reserve was kind enough to send me over some gel polishes, and so I'm just opening up the package here, and they sent me a total of, I believe it was 7 polishes. This is the Ibiza Sunrise Collection that they've released not too long ago. Nice pretty colors. You guys know I love me some Nail Reserve gel polishes. They used to be Nail Addict, but now they're changed their branding, packaging, and everything to Nail Reserve Los Angeles. So look at this color. It's Tenerife. It was a nice vibrant orange. This one is, I think it was Lotus. Nice vibrant pink. You guys know I love me some vibrant colors. This color is Eternity. It reminds me of like a chocolatey kind of grayish brown color. This color is Pink Rose. Nice light pink. There's no shimmer in anything or glitter. The next color is Starstruck, which is a nice purple. Pool Party. You guys know I love me some blue. I love me some blue. Look how pigmented these polishes are. Can't miss it. I mean, can't fault it. And the next color is Immortal. So I had a little trouble gripping that bottle, and so again, as I mentioned in previous videos, keep your rubber band. So these are all of the colors swatched, 1 coat each, with top coat applied. Nice coverage in 1 coat. So I applied 1 coat of UNT peel off base coat on top of my builder gel, and the color that I decided to use was pink. I believe it's Pink Rose. I can't see, so I'm recording in iMovie. I got a little small screen, so hopefully I don't tear up the names. But I'm applying the base coat, and these my base coat says Nail Addict because I still have their old bottles with the old branding on there, and so I'm just applying that to my nails, and I'm going to cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. These are 30-second cure gel polishes. So and again, I do love these polishes because they're nicely pigmented. They do not run all over the place unless you make them run all over the place, and they clean up easily, and of course they're 1 coat coverage. Now, as far as how long they last on the nail, I keep builder gel on my nails, so I can't speak to how long the polish will hold on natural nails. I may do a mani with my daughter's nails to see, because she keeps her nails bare, to see how long they last. But I can guarantee with her, she's lifting boxes at work and dealing with clothing and hangers and all that stuff, it will chip. I did do a mani last year using at the time they were Nail Addict gel polishes, and I went on vacation and the polish lasted. Only thing, the top coat did peel, but that's okay. told you guys these were 1 coat coverage. In the past, I was applying 2 coats. And I was surprised. I was like, did they reformulate? But then when I go back and think about it, I could have always put 1 coat on my nails. That is a time saver for me. Because just think, if you're in a rush, boom, go ahead and put you some, prep your nails. And when I say prep your nails, push the nail fold back, remove that dead cuticle from the nail plate. You know, take a 150 or 180 grit file and rough up your nails lightly just to remove the shine, and then put that base coat. Then do your color cure, or base coat cure, color cure, top coat cure, and you're one and done, unless you want to add something extra to the doggone nail. After the top coat and cure, these are the nails, just plain, nothing extra, just nice color. This time I get it right, pixie dust. So I'm going in with iGel Beauty's jewelry gel, and I'm going to apply that to my ring finger on camera, and then I'm going to do my thumbnail off camera, because I want to apply these flower 3D, I guess they're called rhinestones, but they're not shiny, and I'm just painting that on my nail with a nail brush. And the reason why I put top coat, because whatever chemical component is in Nail Reserve's top coat, gel polish color, I didn't want to get that in my jewelry gel. Nail Reserve, y'all need to get some jewelry gel. That would be beneficial. And so I'm going to go in with my flower cluster gems, and I'm going to apply that to my nail. And there's kind of like a twofold to that. You have the flower gem, and then you have the, I forget what you call it. See, science has failed me at this point, or my memory, let me say it that way. I've been out of school for too long. What do you call the middle of the doggone flower? It's not the stamen, that's the stem. Anyway, so I'm going to apply that in whatever pattern I see fit, and then I'm going to apply a dot of jewelry gel in the middle of the flower so I can apply the little middle piece. And then once I get everything set to where I want it to be, I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds in my LED lamp. After everything has cured, here's the finished look. So I applied the flowers to my ring finger and my thumbnail. I thought was super cute, blended right in with the pixie dust color. And I'm going in and applying my favorite cuticle oil. This is May Bloom from Candy Skincare subscription bag. I just paid $9 for the cuticle pen per month. I'm thinking about canceling because I have too much cuticle oil at this point. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, and let me know what you think. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel. It is free. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you again for watching.